Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with the closure system on your TM5, you're not alone. This fault can manifest as difficulty in securing the lid, which could lead to problems during cooking or blending. If left unresolved, it may even cause damage to the internal components, leading to more costly repairs. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some replacement parts, which will include the closure mechanism. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged. Carefully flip the device upside down and locate the screw securing the base. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to access the internal components. The closure system is usually located near the lid hinge. Look for any visible damage or wear on the mechanism. If you find that the closure system is indeed faulty, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it. Use your pliers if necessary, but be cautious not to pull too hard. Next, remove the faulty closure mechanism by unscrewing any additional screws that hold it in place. When replacing it, ensure that the new mechanism is positioned correctly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Remember to reconnect any cables, making sure they are firmly in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, replace the base and secure it with the screws, ensuring everything is tight. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and test the closure system to confirm that it's functioning properly. To prevent this issue from arising in the future, always ensure that the lid is properly aligned when closing and avoid overloading the device. Regular maintenance and gentle handling can go a long way in prolonging its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.